Did you know that lifting weights for women over 50 can be a game changer? Yes. I started out not using weights, but now I switched to using weights. We're going to learn to get some sculpting, some toning, some definition in our arms while rebounding. So join me today. Come on. Let's get some music going. Make sure you have water and stretch before you come on here, okay? Let's start with a repeater knee and a bicep curl. Looks like this. So opposite leg, opposite arm. Make sure you're engaging that core and stand up straight. Switch to the other side. It also helps with balance and coordination when you're on the rebounder and doing weights at the same time. So you do about 8 of those on each leg. Switch again. Tighten that bicep as you come up. Switch. The next one we're going to do is a tricep extension. So you're going to lean a little bit forward like this. Bring your arm close to your waist and extend the arm. Squeezing the tricep. Let's do the other side. Working on toning and sculpting that tricep. Okay, again, switch to the other side. One arm is always going to be stronger than the other. Let's finish with the other side. Six, 7, 8. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one is going to be a squat. Pushing the hips back. So you're going to push the hips back and you're going to press. So you're going to squat and press up. Push the hips back, just like that. So push the hips back and press up. I'm using 5 pounds today. I started out with 1 pound, worked my way up. Now you can do heavier weights on the floor. I wouldn't recommend more than 8 pounds while on the rebounder. All right. Now let's go to a lateral raise to the side and you're going to push your leg out. So it looks like this. You're standing up straight and still engaging that core. Switch to the other side. Soften the knee you're standing on. You don't want to lock it. All right, you can do another set. You can do 3 sets of each if you want. You're starting out, you can just do 1 set. Switch. All right, just walk it out for a minute. Next, we're going to do a front reach and a pull. All right, so it looks like this. Reach and pull, reach and pull. With a walk. Squeeze in the shoulder blades together. Got it? Good. All right, shake that out for a second. We're going to do a step touch with a hammer curl. Step touch. Here we go. Working the bicep. All right, good. Shake it out. Last one. Maybe, I don't know, might add some more. Let's do corner. Corner, pull down with the knee. So you're gonna go like this. Okay? So, arms overhead. Pull down, back up. Working the lats. All right. Okay. That's all we're going to do today. There's other things that we can do next time. So throw those down. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right. Get a little air with a basic bounce. Shake side to side. Overhead. All right. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye.